kam kemut chukhang talam abek thamsut.
Residents of Umroi Madan village today submitted a written complaint to the Deputy Commissioner of Ribhoi regarding the government's plan to extend the 4-lane road from Umyam to Malidor. Following a meeting with the DC, villagers said that they were not against the road extension but voiced concerns that the proposed route encroaches the hills within Umroi Madan village, which include a crucial water source. The residents have requested that the road be rerouted along the existing Shillong bypass.
Regarding this realignment, because we are planning to, that is the objection.
Kasi, yung nagkandi DC, kung hindi nagsusunod ng Umroi Madan, kung DC, ilaay katarang internet, doon pangalan yung galado, bakit yang inspect, ia kata, kajaka kabadan na po Umroi Madan, kincing yak alignment, sakit pa, kajaka kabadan kitulong kung kinong-sunong idasong kya, idasong isutu ba, nada, kadon kanu kajing le jubor nakalyang jong ka sorkar ban peniat iha katay ka surok na katay ka benta kanlong kajing tim yangi kung kinong-sunong jong Umroi Madan namar ki longying kilongsem ibam ngidi da kay ka kabami kumun si ongno kadai kajing kerku bulay ulah kerku